Hello. So we are back. Same Tuesday. It's not Tuesday, it's Wednesday. Okay. Anyway, we have a job. This is a weird job. It's coming on the screen, goes off, comes on, goes off. What can be the problem? Can be the screen? Can be the screen? Can be the screen ribbon cable? Can be the backlight circuit? Can be the connector? Now it's on. I don't know. Hmm? So what do you think? Now it's off again. So that's the issue with this laptop. The screen is coming on and going off. Now it's on, should work. It's not coming on anymore. So let's check together and try to find out what can be wrong here. Hmm? Let me find the right screwdriver for this job. Which is the right one? Hmm. I don't get it. The screws are rounded, or no, or not. I don't have the right screwdriver. And the right one. Which way is the right one? Okay, we don't have a screwdriver. This is a pentalobe screws. I need a pentalobe screwdriver, which disappear. That's crazy. That's the one, but it's not working here. Okay, but it's yeah, it's working. The screws actually it's kind of rounded. Maybe it's water damage. Can be water damage, especially on the screen connector. Okay, a lot of dust inside. Hmm? It's no sign of liquid damage. Yeah. So let's get the battery out. Let's check the screen connector, which is fine. There's no liquid damage here. Yeah. So I'll plug this back, because obviously the fault is not from here. I'll plug the battery back and let's do some checkings. Yeah, with the voltage. Maybe it's the screen, maybe it's the ribbon cable of the screen. Yeah, so we have volts and the output. The output we have nothing, so now we don't have backlight at all. At all. We have, yeah, now it's flickering. Now it's flickering. 18 volts, which is not enough and is going down. Now it's 24. It's 24 and it's stable, and now goes back to 18. You can see on the multimeter 17 and it's going down. Now it's not boosting, so I don't think the issue is the screen here. Give me 1 second. Yeah, Jay. Okay. Let's press a button. So the voltage is changing exactly on the inverter. You know, here we have the inverter. You see these big caps? So actually that is the output of the backlight. Yeah. Can be a cap? Can be. Can be. So I have 18 volts. Now we have 25. Look. Now it's changing. 20, 19. So the voltage is changing. I'm checking on the big capacitor from here, from the. I have 18, 17, 21. That's not normal. 17, 16, 15. Yeah, 13. And it's going down, it's discharging. So I suppose the capacitor are discharging. Now it's 24 volts, you can see. Now again is going down. 18, 23. So what can be wrong here? Because you have a lot of this is hard to check. It is, you know, the random faults are the hardest things to find. But you know what I think? The easy way to find this fault. So let's have a look together. Yeah. So that's the screen. Okay. And look here. What do we have here? This is the inverter of the screen. These capacitor are on the output. You have the Schottky diode here, the coil, and I think this is the switching chip. The chip which is switching this coil. I'm not sure about that. Or this, I don't know. But what I will do, I will come with the power supply like usual. Like usual. Let's come with 24 volts. The battery is unplugged, okay, 24 volts. And let's see if we have like any random reading, because we should have random reading. If anything is like partial shorted or randomly gets shorted. Here. And nothing happened. Like nothing, like it's taking no power. So what do you think? You see, this is a very tricky fault. Here we have the fuse. So the fuse is coming where? We can figure it out together. We don't need schematics for something like that. Let me clean the dust. Okay, this capacitor looks like, okay, let me unplug. Capacitor looks, have some oxide here. Like sign of liquid damage. So we have the fuse. The fuse is coming here. Let me switch on diode mode, diode mode. Give me 1 second. Yeah, Jay. Yes? Okay. Diode mode. So I'm just trying to figure it out, the schematic. That's the fuse. The fuse is coming here on this pin. So this thing is switching. These two pins output. These are together. These are together. So it has 4 pins on output. And the output is this coil. Yeah. Okay. So our problem is not on the power, because always you think where is the power. That's the thing. The things are under the pressure, yeah. And you think, okay, maybe this diode is partial working or partial shorted. I don't know. Maybe the capacitor, some capacitor is partial shorted. But no, this problem is on the input. So this is the switching MOSFET, I believe. But if these two pins, yeah, these two pins are together. These two are together, but also these are together with these ones. So all 4 pins are together. So what do we have left? We have a pin which is going to plus. Then you have a pin more, which is the gate. And if the gate voltage goes down, the output will goes down, yeah? So because of the input, we have this dodgy capacitor. You see it's a dodgy one. See this one? So you have the resistor connected to ground, which is normal. I think it's connected to ground, maybe it's connected to plus. I don't care, that capacitor looks dodgy and it's on the gate. On the gate, connected to ground, I believe. Maybe not. Let's check. It's no ground, so this is plus. So actually this is going to fuse. No, it's not going to fuse. Give me 1 second. Okay, one more time. Let's see. Okay, so this is the plus. So actually this resistor is coming from plus. And the capacitor, I don't know why I get a 92 ohms here. Here nothing. But it's dodgy. Let's remove the capacitor. I don't understand why we are wasting time here. That capacitor is dodgy. I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm sure it'll be fine without that capacitor. I'm sure of that. Yeah. So let's try now. Let's see now it's working. Plugged in the battery. On. Yeah. I'm really sorry for this boring video. I was thinking something more exciting, like, you know, something better, like a broken screen ribbon cable, like a burn connector. But probably just a drop of water caused that, or who knows, maybe high humidity, because I can't see anywhere else water damage. And the stickers are white. So you see this water damage sticker? It's white. Yeah, now it's working fine. And the voltage is stable, I'm sure of that. Let's see what voltage do you have, for my curiosity. So there should be 24.6, 25 volts, around 25 volts. That's the voltage which is, it's equal, well, it's okay for screen. Oh, why is loading so slowly? Reset the password. I don't want to reset the password. Restart. Okay, but just this is just a, you know, just an example how you can check the backlight. And on our case we have something not working, and most of the time it's on the power side. You know, the power, you have the MOSFET, you have the coil, the diode, the two capacitors, and long way after that the screen connector, you have the ribbon cable, after that you have the screen, so it's a long way. And actually the fault is there, but not on this case. On this case actually the signal which was meant is meant to open and switch that MOSFET, the signal probably was shorted to ground or plus, or who knows, you know, it's not even important. Okay, but it's perfectly fine. Yeah, probably I need I want to restart. No, it's fine, I'm sure it's fine. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Yeah, I know it's boring. Okay, bye.